you since you were in London. Do you get to bring your other half with you when you go on tour? Is that very important for you? Because leaving London, I guess the one thing you leave behind are family and friends.
Yeah, with my fiance, which is nice, obviously.
This rain, it's never safe for us, not even in the evening, when I've been drinking. Well, yes, it was. When will we the time to be? Let me tell you something, right? Oh, you can tell who I like with more in the words. I need to be. Listen, on tenor, Jim, on baritone.
Well, I believe that UFOs were demonic for a long time, and so a few years ago I started to really delve into it deeply, going through thousands and thousands of pages. That this whole phenomenon cannot be a material phenomenon, it has to be a spiritual phenomenon. And if we take the UFO so-called aircraft itself, we can see that it's a fact they've been tracked at incredible speeds of tens of thousands of miles an hour. Then they instantly reverse at those speeds. They make right angle turns at those speeds, and sometimes they make sonic booms, or they make noises sometimes when they're traveling, other times they're completely silent.
We'll look at Genesis 3, which talks about an image technology that the hybrids used to make themselves appear beautiful.
You're managed by the company.